Hi guys, and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to start an Etsy shop for beginners. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So, starting an Etsy shop is actually an exciting opportunity for artisans, crafters, and sellers of unique products to showcase their creations to a global audience. Whether you specialize in handmade crafts, vintage items, or one of a kind products, Etsy provides a platform to connect with customers who appreciate and seek out these distinctive offerings. With millions of active buyers and a user friendly interface, Etsy has become a popular marketplace for independent sellers to establish their online business. So, let's go on to our tips to get started on how you can start with your Etsy shop. Number 1, research and find your niche. So before you get started on your Etsy shop, what you're going to do is you need to take time in researching successful Etsy shops in your chosen niche. So you can actually sell different kinds of products with Etsy, digital or handmade crafts, then that's up to you. But before you actually go and dive right into creating your own Etsy shop, identify what products are in demand and which ones seem to have a dedicated customer base. Look for the gaps in the market that you can fill with your own unique offerings as well. So, finding a niche will help you understand um, your own products and also will help you stand out and attract a specific audience that is interested into your products. So there are actually different kinds of items that you could make. Like say for example, if you're gonna make a handcrafted earrings, then you could actually sell that one and you could sell it using your designs. Or you could also sell like different kinds of digital planners if you do not want the hassle of shipping the items and you want to have it more of a digital take onto your Etsy store. So, again, research and find your niche. All right, moving on to our second one. So, second one is create high quality listings. All right, so listings are very important when you are getting into Etsy. So, the success of your Etsy shop heavily relies on it, and it compels and attracts your customers to buy your product basically. So use high quality images that showcase your items from different angles and in various settings. Write clear and informative product descriptions that includes relevant keywords to help potential buyers find your products through Etsy search algorithm. So basically what's most important here is the picture and the description. So the more detailed and the more that you put a eye-catching description on your Etsy listing, the more people would like to go into your listing and would like to buy your product because a good description makes you a reliable seller as well. All right. And there. So say for example, like this kind of earrings that they're selling, they actually really give very detailed description on when you can get it and whatnot. There you have it. Moving on to our third one. So number 3 is set competitive prices. Determining the right pricing for your products can be tricky. So research similar items on Etsy and other platforms to understand the price range for your niche. Consider the cost of material, production time, and any other expenses when setting your prices. It's essential to strike a balance between competitive pricing and ensuring you make a reasonable profit. So one thing that you also need to uh, know about is that the free shipping option here at Etsy. They actually offer that free shipping option, and you could actually also align that when you are setting up your price as well. All right. Next is number 4, promote your shops. So Etsy provides a marketplace, but you'll still need to actively promote your shops to reach a wider audience, especially that nowadays we rely heavily on social media marketing, of course. So more people from Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and the likes actually would like to know more or would get a huge range of audience if we use these platforms. So utilize them as much as possible to showcase your products and connect with potential customers as well. You could also participate in relevant online communities and forums to share your work, like such for example Pinterest or Reddit. Those are actually good communities and online forums to share your work with. And considering promotions or collaborating with influencer in your niche to boost your visibility as well. All right. So those are some of the uses of our social media marketing. So lastly, what we can give to our customer is we can offer great customer service. Of course, as a customer, we would like to have a good product, and not only that, but a good service from the seller. Of course, not only like a good product, but we want both, right? So positive reviews and satisfied customers are vital for the growth of your Etsy shop. Providing excellent customer service by promptly responding to inquiries, processing orders in a timely manner, and ensuring the quality of your products, considering offering a hassle-free return policy to build trust with your customers. So just making it comfortable and easy for your customers. And also, one thing that you could do is to make it very personalized as well. So you can send them notes and whatnot if you would want to. Right. So those are like 5 tips that I can give you to begin or start with your Etsy shop. So, by following these 5 best practices that we have discussed in today's video, um, like compelling listings, setting competitive prices, promoting your shop, and providing excellent customer service, you can actually increase your chances of success in building your Etsy shop. So, if you're ready to turn your passion into a thriving online shop, then dive into the world of Etsy and explore the possibilities that await for you. Especially if you are really into handicrafts, vintage items, and you would like to have these kinds of customer base that would like to actually buy your artworks and crafts, then Etsy is the best place to start with in your store and in your online business. So basically, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.